because your channel is about men, mandate, and having a safe space for men to just take off their armor, just to talk, that type of thing, right? Last time I spoke to you folks, I was saying how men can support us, but how can women and people support men?
Our show, although we're talking really about men's issues and helping men sort of unpack that, it's also quite interesting to see how women can take that knowledge and sort of work with their men in their relationships. But I think in terms of supporting men, it's helping men have those conversations, like help them be vulnerable. And sometimes that, at the end of the day, it comes down to the man to trust. But at the end of the day, I think, you know, every single one of our guests has thanked the woman in their lives, whether it's their wife, close friends, sisters, mothers. You make us who we are, and we can only do what we do because of the woman in our life. So I think it's just be there ready. We can't put really a timeline on when men will open up, but sometimes those moments don't come often, but when they do come, if you're ready, they will engage, is my personal opinion. I'm no expert, but that's what comes to mind.